विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. शेनवारा सकाळीं 8 सुमार बायणा दर्यावेळेर 33 वर्साच्या सुरेश तांडेर ह्या नुस्तेकाराक बुडून मरण आयलें. ताच्या बरोबर मुन्ना जयस्वाल आनी पुत्या चलवाडी हे 2 जाण नुस्तेकारूय बुडिल्ले. थळाव्यांनी ह्या दोगांकूय सुखरूप वाटायले. तांचेर हॉस्पिटलांत उपचार चालू आसा अशी म्हायती वास्को PI नालास्को रापोसो हांणी दिल्या. आरडेस्को खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
A drowning incident reported today at Vasco police station at around 8 a.m. in the morning. 8 fishermen had gone for fishing wherein the canoe capsized and the locals helped the fishermen to come to the shore safely. However, one person, Suresh Thandel, aged 32 years, resident of Baina, was brought dead at Sanjeevani Hospital. So also 2 more fishermen were brought at Sanjeevani Hospital, namely Munna Jaiswal, aged 37 years, and Putya Chalwadi, aged 45 years. The other 2 fishermen who are brought at Sanjeevani Hospital are out of danger and presently under treatment. After conducting the inquest over the dead body of Suresh Thandel, the dead body was referred to GMC for postmortem examination. Further investigation is in progress.